So guys, a few weeks ago, a young lady inside of our private community asked me, when are you going to have more makeup videos on the channel? And I did have a definite answer because we already have a makeup playlist on the channel. So you won't believe what happened next. The Online Makeup Academy, based out of New York City, reached out to us to do a collaboration. And you know we accepted it and offered complimentary access to one of their makeup courses where I will become a certified makeup artist through their online training. So guys, this girl is back in school. So what's up guys, it's your girl Sharon, and in this video I'm going to tell you all about the Online Makeup Academy, what I've been learning so far, and give you some ideas and how this program may benefit you and how anyone you know can learn makeup at any age. Remember y'all, I always say at 50 plus, it's never too late to create. Be sure you stay to the end because I've been given an opportunity for you to save on your program. If and when you or anyone you know are interested in enrolling in this incredible online program to become a certified makeup artist and connect with makeup artists all over the world. So guys, let's get into this video and learn more about the Online Makeup Academy. So enrolling in this program for me was more about being able to teach you guys more about aging skin, more about tips, tricks, and changes that you could make to your already makeup routine. And although I know a decent amount about makeup, I've done photo shoots on women, my clients. I've done photo shoots when I was doing my accessories and didn't want to hire a makeup artist. I knew enough to get this makeup done, and so here are some of those looks. And because I've been doing makeup so long, there's always been techniques and tricks to me. This program and me going back to school to enhance my skills with makeup will help me to do things like the smoky eye, which they teach you. It will help me to actually apply lashes even faster than I can do now, even on my own self. And it will also help me understand why I can never find a eyeliner that does not smudge under my eyes throughout the day. I've tried all kind of waterproof eyeliner and none has worked. So I know that this program can help me with so many different things, which will then in turn me being able to educate you so that you can enhance your beauty with makeup. With that being said, this great girl is back in school, and due to my busy schedule, it works. So wherever I am, in Starbucks, at work, in between clients, pull out my computer, pull out my laptop, and just do a little segment or a couple of segments. So do this course anywhere, anytime, at your own pace. So why am I learning more about makeup? Makeup is not just about adding color. In this program, there's so much to learn before you even apply any color. You need to learn sanitation, you get to learn skincare. This Online Makeup Academy, they do not just scratch the surface with makeup. They really teach you the most important thing, and what I always stress is that you have to have a great canvas first. So just imagine enrolling in one of their courses and learning about techniques and tips that they teach you about sanitation, how to keep your brushes clean, learning a deeper dive, and actually how to keep your skin up to par and be able to start with a great canvas whenever you apply your makeup. Although I've started on the first module, I kind of peeked around y'all and was excited to see a few things that really caught my eye. Dark skin makeup was one of them. Mature skin. This was very important because I definitely want to learn more about mature skin, aging skin, and how to minimize a lot of the effects of aging skin with certain products, and actually how to apply makeup to prevent us from actually seeing some of those lines and some of those wrinkles as we age. The smoky eye. Okay, y'all, I love me a good smoky eye, but I can't wait to perfect it. Also, lashes. I need to perfect the lashes on me and on other people. Like when I do my models or if I do clients, I have not been a huge person who love to do makeup. I do makeup because I have to do makeup, but I'm definitely excited about where this program and becoming a certified makeup artist will take my skills in teaching you and also applying them to my own makeup routine. And regardless of your age, you should know a little bit about makeup. I know I hear a lot of you guys saying, I don't want to wear makeup, I don't like to wear makeup. But regardless of where you are in your age and in your life, you should want to know a little bit about your skin and how to enhance your beautiful features as you age. And what I love the most about Online Makeup Academy is that it welcomes students from all over the globe, and they do not have a minimum age or education requirement. So guys, if you got kids, grandkids, family members, colleagues, and anybody who would want to start a makeup program, our online videos that you can just follow the tutor, follow the person that's giving you the instruction, and you can learn makeup at any age. Imagine that, being able to become a certified makeup artist and connect with other makeup artists all over the globe. So now let's talk about the career opportunities. You will actually become a certified makeup artist with the Online Makeup Academy upon completion of this course. And that will allow you to do so many things and open up your world of opportunity when you complete the program. Do makeup on you, just you, or family, friends, and colleagues. Or maybe you want to focus on a real career in makeup. Work on photo shoots, private clients, fashion shows, and more. So do makeup for you, or do makeup for anyone you know, or if you really want to dive into this as a career, remember, it's never too late to create. So just consider doing this as a career, or maybe just even a hobby. So start a new passion at 50 plus or any age. So guys, comment down below if you would consider enrolling in the Online Makeup Academy to learn more about your skin or even your makeup application, or even consider it a side gig and expand it into a real business. So make sure you comment down below and let us know your thoughts about enrolling in the Online Makeup Academy. Now let's talk about the benefits of the Online Makeup Academy. The benefits and why Online Makeup Academy is the best option for you. Cosmetology schools can run you anywhere from $10,000 nowadays to up to $30,000 and $40,000 to actually finish a course that will take you 9 months to actually 2 years. Whereas with makeup schools, especially an online program, it typically takes less time and a lot less money to invest. Just imagine having lifetime access to this program. Over the years, as this program elevates and upgrades, you have access to any additional upgrades and future lesson updates. So it's never an old program. You started out and you always have access to any updates, any upgrades. As anything changes, like in the makeup industry with skincare, you always have access to the upgrades and the updates to this particular online makeup program. And what I'm truly excited about, guys, is the individual mentorship. You will receive personal video replies from the tutor who are masters in their industry, from award-winning New York City professional makeup artists and even employed at the school's physical location. So imagine that, having access to a professional makeup artist who is already well-trained in the industry, and you receive professional feedback on the work that you're performing on your models at your location in an entire another city. And you know we all love a discount. Just imagine, as a professional makeup artist, being able to receive a pro card that gives you benefits and discounts of up to 40% off on major makeup brands. And some of these makeup brands we already shop at, and I have a pro card at the MAC store. As a hairstylist, I receive 30%. So when I become a certified makeup artist with the Online Makeup Academy, I will receive 40% off of my makeup at the MAC store. So imagine receiving up to 40% off with brands that you already love and that you already use. So remember, I asked you to stay to the end of this video. So here's the special offer that I have for you. And it's so exciting because when you decide to enroll in the Online Makeup Academy course, or you want to invite your friends, family, colleagues, or anyone that you know, with my discount code, you will receive $100 off your course at the Online Makeup Academy. So I hope that excites you, and gives you a great incentive to take a look at the program and enroll yourself. So be sure to click the link in our description section and explore the Online Makeup Academy courses that are right for you. So guys, there you have it. I am so excited for this opportunity, and I want to say thank you to the Online Makeup Academy out of New York City. And I want to tell you to make sure that you look out for more makeup videos on the channel this summer. So until the next time, guys, take care.